I chose the HEC Paris program delivered through Coursera because I live in Toronto, Canada, and it's always been a dream of mine to do a graduate degree at an elite school, a globally elite school, and I think that that's just not available in Canada. So the ability to participate in a program delivered by, I think, one of the best schools on the planet and do it while I raise my child and continue to work in Toronto was a dream come true.
So I have 4 kids. I work in a bank, a full family, for instance, and I'm able to go to work, read during my break time, and actually do most of my studying at home. So I could actually work and go to school at the same time and earn my living. From some courses that are very difficult, we're able to put in more energy and run and quickly do it. And also for courses that are a bit lighter, you could actually bundle them and do them faster.
The hallmark of the program is participation in a capstone project where you're paired with group members from across the planet. And you essentially have a vehicle with which allows you to implement all the coursework you're learning. So while the classes are, I guess, theoretical, the capstone projects allows us to actually implement what we're learning in the classes. And the experience for me in the capstone project has been profound in that I've made now not just incredible minds to work with and learn from, but also lifelong friends. I think the study of innovation and entrepreneurship places you earlier in the life cycle of a company. So it's essentially a similar role as an MBA would play. However, we participate from start to scale. And then once something has scaled, then the MBAs come in and, like Ikenna was saying, they increase efficiency and tinker with the engine. But if you want to discuss it in an analogy, the MBAs tune the engine, but we actually build it.
I would take this program over an MBA tomorrow.